Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. In case you're wondering what I got here, yep, it is a Costco haul. And today is the first day after the lockdown, June the 1st, that Costco in the United Kingdom has opened. So I got some bits from the food section and this is all the stuff that I got. So if you want to, not that you know, if you want to know what I got, keep on watching. So I've moved to a different location because the table I was going to use, the kitchen, is really dark at the moment. So I've moved to a location where the light is more conducive. So I'm going to do this video quickly because the lighting is going down, but I have literally come back from IKEA. I'm so excited. This is one of my hauls that I'm really excited to do because this is the first shop that I've been to that's opened during lockdown. I mean, IKEA UK are now open. I think there's one or two stores that are open, but today, the 1st of June, is the day that open, and it's the same day that I'm doing the haul. So I'll start off with the actual food items because I need to put one or two items in the fridge or freezer, and so I'll just bring them out. By the way, I hope you like my emergency ration box. So I thought when I was in IKEA, I noticed these drinks at the checkout, and I forgot actually to get one. And then after I passed the checkout, they have a food area, and I wanted to get some meatballs, which I did, thank goodness. And I thought I'll try them. I've never tried IKEA food products apart from their meatballs, and this one is their sparkling pear drink. So there it is. It's it's 750 ml, and this costs £1.95. So the main thing that I went to get is my meatballs. These meatballs are, when I say they are amazing, they are absolutely amazing. They taste so nice. They're a bit salty, so if you eat them with anything, you don't need to add anything to that item. So if, for example, you decide to eat these with mashed potato, put very little salt or no salt at all. Or if you decide to eat potatoes, I wouldn't even advise you to put any salt in the potatoes at all because these meatballs are extremely salty, but they're so delicious. I'm so happy I get open because my last bag finished, gosh, I think it finished in March, and I have a bag of chicken balls which I've not actually tried, but the meatballs are way better. So that's the bag with all the items in it. I'm going to have to put that bag down because I have no space. As I was saying, I have no space to put the items out. So I think what I might do is I might bring... I'm not sure whether to bring all the items out or bring them out one by one. I'll just show you one by one. Maybe I'll bring them out in categories. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this. I'm sorry if the camera is shaking. It's just that sorry, I'm getting this really bad vibrations. I don't know where they're coming from. So anyway, this the first item here is a tray. I wanted to actually get a square one to put on my counter in my kitchen, but I couldn't find any in IKEA, and I probably would have to wait to probably about the mid-June for the other shops to start opening. I couldn't wait, so I just got that. I'm not sure whether it's going to work. I'm going to see. That cost £5.50, and then this is a placemat, and I believe that cost £1.50. And the idea was originally to actually use it along with another mat, just in case this large one doesn't work. So I'll show you what I mean. So the one in the middle, the grey one, which is £1.25, is what I plan to put underneath the green one to kind of lift it up off the surface and use that, and then place my items on my counter on it, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that. I found another one, which is a leaf, which is really cute, and I couldn't resist. I'm planning to put this on my kitchen table, which is white. It's always getting dirty, and I have a tray which I'm going to place on top of it, and any other items that I intend to put on that table to avoid it getting dirty. And that, I believe I said, was $125. So the next item is called, I believe the brand name is Vargan. It's a Vargan jar with lid. It's actually, I think it's actually £4, but they're doing it on a special offer, and I got it for $2.50. I was planning to buy 4 of them. Unfortunately, they didn't. I only found this one random one where it should have been. I think they've sold out totally. On the website it says they have them. Apparently now with IKEA you can do click and collect, so I'm going to look on the website and see if I can get 3 more, and I'll just do click and collect and do it that way. The guy told me it will be about the next 2 weeks before they'll get any in stock, and yeah, so I just bought this one. I want to use this for my self-raising flour. So guys, so sorry about that mishap. I've been having problems with my gizmo. Just show you, I don't know, it's malfunctioning, so I've had to use something else. So let's just continue with the IKEA haul. So I'm not sure what I told you, this was on special offer. It's actually originally £4, and I got it for $2.50. So the next items I got were these spatulas. I really love them. I have been dreaming about these spatulas because during the lockdown it was a nightmare. The only places you could get anything were the supermarkets, and they were expensive. These are £1, and what I love about them, they're multicolored. They do have a 4th one. It was black and white. It wouldn't have fit in with my colour scheme, so I just got these 3, and they're all £1. The glass was 75p. So the next items I got were these spice jars. I've been looking for something tall and slim. I've got this little caddy with a handle, and I wanted to make all my spice jars uniform. I've got different sizes. There's some that are still inside the actual containers, and I just wanted everything to be uniform. And I saw these ones online at IKEA, but obviously, you know, getting home delivery, and I actually wanted to see them in person, so I'm so glad IKEA opened. I believe these were 2 in the packet, was $1.75. As you can see, I bought 4. So the next item I got was a 3 set of cork mats for putting your pots down, and they cost, so they were £2, and there's 3 of them inside there. So the next item is a steamer insert. This is what it's got on the label, and the reason why I bought it was because I recently got some dumplings in Costco, and also I want to use it to steam my vegetables, and that cost £6. So I also got a cheap and cheerful £5 frying pan from IKEA. My other one, it's absolutely looking terrible, so I needed to replace it, and I only really use it to fry things like if I do it, or I really don't fry eggs, but things like eggs or plantain or things like that. So it's very rarely used, but it's in a terrible state and it needed changing, so that one was £5. So guys, you know what it's like when you're cooking and all of a sudden you put something in the pot and it pops up into your face. That's happened to me so many times. So I got a splatter, and it was £3. So these items are from the Tiscan range, and they are a series of hooks. So the 4-pack with the really funky colours is £5, and the white pack with just 2 in it is £2.75, I believe. Yes, £2.75. And I am doing up my pantry, so I haven't decided whether I'm going to use these for my pantry, for my bathroom, or I'm going to use these ones. I haven't decided yet. They've only got them in these funky colours, and they have them in the white, so I haven't really decided where I'm going to put what. But either way, these are going to come in real. They're going to come to very good use. They have suction on them. At the back here, I don't know if you can see that they've got suction on them. So I'm hoping they will work on walls as well as they will work on the bathroom. They're meant to be used on the bathroom, but I have seen them in the IKEA catalogue being used in different parts of the house. So I'm hoping it's going to work. So of the bulky items, this is the lac floating shelves, which I intend to put on the corners of my pantry. I will show you that once I've fixed it. I'm hoping it's going to work. I've kind of brought it out and shoved it there. There's like a little alcove which might stick out, but it looks like it will work. I was planning to buy 4. I'm happy I didn't buy 4 because it will fit. I've realized that it's going to fit on the 2 upper shelves, but it might not fit on the 2 lower ones. But I can use that space to hang stuff, so it's probably going to work. And these were £5. I bought 2. So on my way back, because I had to go back on myself when I was in IKEA, I came across these jars, and they were originally, I think they were about £4 plus, I think, and they did a reduction, and they were £2. They are meant to be used in the bathroom. I don't think I'll use them in the bathroom. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to use them for, but I'm sure I can find something to use them for. I've got a lot of toiletries, so I might use them in my pantry to store certain items. But yeah, that was a good find for £2. Thinking of it now, maybe I should have bought a few more, but at the time I wasn't really sure what I was going to use them for. But yeah, that was £2. So another good thing they were doing was they were selling bags. You know, the IKEA bags. I think these are normally £3, and they were selling them for 50p, probably because of the colours. But for me, I'm going to use these bags in my bedroom, because my bedroom is pink, and I'm going to use them as my laundry bags. And the green bags, I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but maybe in my bathroom. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but they will come in handy. Probably in my kitchen, because my kitchen is green, but I'll find a use for them. But they were 50p, and I bought 4. So I don't know if any of you have this problem, but when you're washing your pots, and sometimes things get stuck at the bottom of the pot. So yeah, I normally use a spoon. Don't do that. Yeah, that's what I normally do. So I found a scraper, and the scraper is called a pot scraper, and it costs, let me find the price. So it's listed as a sock rig bowl scraper. So you're supposed to use it for the bowl. I think you're supposed to use it, really, to be honest, for things like bacon. But I'm going to use it to scrape my pot, because guys, I use a spoon and it's terrible, and I'm damaging all my spoons. So yeah, that was £2.50. So last but not least was this light system, and it's called, see what the name of the band is, Diode. Sorry, I'm not Swedish, so I don't know whether that was pronounced right. But it was originally, I think it was £29, and they were doing a special offer, and I got it for £19. So I was not going to sign up to the IKEA family card, but I'll tell you what, that card is really good for discounts. If you want to buy anything, it really goes towards you getting special offers. So, and it's free, and I signed up on it online. I didn't even get one in the store. I just signed up because originally I was going to do a home delivery, but I decided against it. So I'm so glad I did, because believe me, I got a lot of special offers on a few items here. I know I did. Aside from the offers they were doing, obviously, because they just opened up the store. But anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that haul. Today is the 1st of June, and I thought I'm going to do this haul straight away so you can see what I bought. I was really excited to go there because there were so many things I wanted to buy. I'm glad I did my list. Everything bar the bags and the 2 jars were things that I intended to buy. They were on my list, so I didn't buy anything outside my list. And with my discount, my total spend was £82, so that wasn't really too bad. I mean, if I didn't buy the bags, so that would be £80. If I didn't buy the jar, then I probably would have spent maybe about 70 something pounds. But for all these items, I think I did really well, and sticking to what I wanted to buy a few items, I think I did really well. So anyway, if you enjoy this haul, if you have any questions about the items, please do not hesitate to put your comments in the comments box below. And if you like watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. It is free. Just put your finger, do like that. It is really free. You don't really have to do anything other. Do like that and drink your cup of tea. That's what you have to do. Support my channel, support the Mimi Fashion Lounge. At the moment, as you know, because of lockdown, we are not doing anything fashion related. I'm just doing hauls on things I bought, and things that will help projects around the house. A lot of these items, so these are for my pantry. This is more likely to be for my pantry. There's a lot of things that I'm using to do up my place, which I've been planning to do for ages, but work commitments. But hey, we're at home at the moment, so let's take advantage of this period at home to do things around the house, which is what I'm doing. Anyway, enough rambling. I hope you enjoyed that haul. I have some footage of me going to IKEA. I don't know whether I'm going to put it on this video because this video is already long. So I'll see how long it is. If I can put it at the bottom, at the back or the front of this video, I will. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some footage in a separate video. But anyway, if you've got to this end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and please join me in my next video whenever that I upload again, which will hopefully be in another week's time. Anyway, goodbye for now, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.